Imagine this. 13.77 billion years ago, there was nothing. No stars, no planets, no space, and no time. Then, in a split second, everything changed. The universe as we know it was born. This moment is called the Big Bang, the beginning of everything. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion like fireworks. It was a sudden, massive expansion of space, energy, and matter from a single point. In that instant, particles smaller than atoms formed, and the universe began to grow and cool. As the universe cooled, the first elements hydrogen, helium, and a tiny bit of lithium were born. These simple elements were the building blocks for everything: stars, planets, and even life. Scientists have found evidence of the Big Bang in the form of the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It's like a baby picture of the universe, a faint glow left over from when the universe was just 375,000 years old. The universe didn't stop growing after the Big Bang. Even today, it's expanding. We know this because of something called the red shift. It's like the sound of a siren changing pitch as an ambulance drives away. Only here, it's light from galaxies moving farther away from us. Over millions of years, gravity began to pull hydrogen and helium together to form stars. Inside these stars, nuclear reactions created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. When giant stars exploded as supernovae, they scattered these elements into space. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the universe. Each one is filled with stars, planets, and endless possibilities. But our story, the Earth story, begins in a small corner of this galaxy. The Big Bang wasn't the end. It was just the beginning. A beginning that set the stage for the formation of stars, planets, and life itself. After the Big Bang, the universe was full of stars. But how did our Sun, Earth, and the rest of the solar system come into being? It's a story that began 4.5 billion years ago with a giant cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, known as a solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. At the center, the pressure and heat became so intense that a new star, our Sun, was born. The leftover gas and dust spun around the young Sun in a flat disk. Inside this disk, tiny particles collided and stuck together, forming small clumps called planetesimals. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger and larger, eventually becoming planets. Near the Sun, it was too hot for ice and gas to stick around. That's why the inner planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are made of rock and metal. Farther out, it was colder, allowing gas and ice to form the giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Earth's story is unique. A collision with a Mars-sized object sent debris into space, which eventually formed the Moon. The Moon helped stabilize Earth's tilt, giving us seasons and influencing the tides. Not all material in the solar nebula formed planets. Some became the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, while icy objects formed the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. These are home to comets that occasionally visit the inner solar system. Today, spacecraft like Voyager and Curiosity continue to explore the solar system, uncovering its secrets. From volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io to the icy surface of Pluto, every discovery brings us closer to understanding how our solar system works. The solar system is a beautiful, dynamic family of planets, moons, and other objects, all born from the same cosmic dust. And while its story began billions of years ago, our exploration of it is just getting started.